The Elon Musk operation's Neuralink has been working to create a brain chip that would allow the paralyzed to walk again, and people who are blind to have the vision. According to Reuters, the company is the subject of a federal probe over its animal research program. We'll cover what you need to know about Neuralink in this video. What is Neuralink? Neuralink, a company founded in 2016 by Elon Musk and a team of engineers, is developing a brain chip connection that can be placed inside the skull. The company claims this interface will eventually allow disabled people to speak and move again and help recover vision. Elon Musk is well known for major founding companies such as Tesla and SpaceX. However, the tycoon also has several strange businesses. He claimed he established one to create a symbiosis between artificial intelligence and a person's brain. Musk founded the brain interface technology business Neuralink. It is creating a gadget that would be inserted into a person's brain to record and influence brain activity. According to Musk, the technology is like having a Fitbit in your skull. Insiders reveal that Musk and Siobhan Zilis, a senior Neuralink executive, welcome twins. Musk frequently touts the potential of the technology for use in futuristic healthcare, but there are a few possible near-term medicinal applications as well. When the newspaper The Wall Street Journal revealed Neuralink's creation in 2017, it was the first time the public heard of it. The business didn't make its first significant public appearance until 2019, after Musk and other Neuralink executives showed their technology in a live broadcast presentation. The device by Neuralink features a chip that analyzes and sends neurological signals that may be sent to gadgets like cell phones or PCs. Neuralink's coin-sized brain implantable chip would be placed within a person's skull. A network of tiny wires about 20 times finer than a person's hair spread out from the chip into the individual's brain. There are 1,024 electrodes attached to wires, which allow for monitoring brain function and, in general, electrical stimulation of the brain. The chip sends this information electronically to computers where researchers can analyze it. The robot would work similarly to a sewing machine by inserting hard needle-like flexible cables from a Neuralink chip within someone's brain. Neuralink showed a video of the robot in January 2021. The company sees a day when someone could use their ideas to operate a keyboard, mouse, or other computer features such as texting. Eventually, according to Neuralink, its product is expected to revive neural activity within the body, enabling people with injured spinal cords to move their limbs. The company, which has offices in San Francisco and Austin, also aims to treat neurological diseases including Alzheimer's and dementia. Where is Neuralink's progress? Neuralink has provided many instances of successfully testing various aspects of its system on animals, such as a video from 2021 that featured a macaque playing an ordinary video game after receiving a brain chip placement. The company highlighted upgrades to the chip's performance and capabilities in the live webcast. What problems are ahead for Neuralink? Neuralink still needs to receive U.S. regulatory authority to move forward with human studies, in contrast to competitor Synchron, which has a less ambitious aspirations for its medical achievements. Neuralink applied to the FDA, or Food and Drug Administration, this year to commence human testing despite missing Musk's publicly declared dates. Musk claimed that Neuralink's clinical studies on humans might begin in 6 months. Making a safe and efficient gadget is one of the major issues Neuralink is confronting. The brain is a sensitive and complicated organ, and any interference with its regular operation might have negative effects. As a result of the brain's great degree of individuality, what works for one person may not work for another. Neuralink studies brain activity in depth to address these issues and uses complex algorithms to aid in interpreting the data the gadget picks up. To guarantee that the gadget complies with the highest criteria for security and efficiency, they also carefully collaborate with regulatory organizations. Debate regarding animal testing. According to reports examined by Reuters and sources who know about the probe and the company's affairs, the company is currently the subject of a federal probe for possible animal welfare offenses when its employees are upset that the procedure is being rushed, resulting in unnecessary suffering and deaths. Since 2018, the business has slaughtered around 1,500 animals comprising over 280 sheep, pigs, and monkeys. According to Musk, the device might make placing the electrodes for Neuralink as simple as having LASIK eye surgery. This is a bold claim, but neuroscientists told Insider in 2019 that the gadget had several intriguing features. The University of Southern California's Andrew Hires, an expert in neurology, featured a function that would automatically change the needle to account for the patient's cerebral movement, which occurs during surgery together with breathing and pulse. The machine is 8 feet high right now, and Woke Studios created the structure while Neuralink is working on the technology that powers it. One of Neuralink's chips was displayed in 2020 inside of a pig called Gertrude. The proof of principle demonstration revealed how the chip could precisely predict the location of Gertrude's limbs as she walked in a treadmill and captured brain activity while the pig sniffed about for food. Musk said the pig had lived with a chip within her head for 2 months. As most brain interfaces now used on test animals include wires protruding out by the skin, Jackson said Insider after the 2020 announcement that the wireless transmission from the Neuralink chip may significantly impact the well-being of animal test subjects in science. Neuroscientists don't think much of Elon Musk's claim that Neuralink can allow monkeys to operate computers using their brain signals. Talking to Insider in 2019, neurologists remarked that while the claim would catch readers' interest, they did not believe it to be especially surprising or noteworthy. It was done in the past to place neural brain interfaces into animals so they could manipulate images on screens. As per Professor Andrew Jackson of the University of Newcastle, who spoke with Insider in April 2021, this kind of technology was first created by scholars in 2002. However, its roots may date back to the 1960s. Upon receiving more than 700 pages of records about monkeys used for Neuralink studies at the University of California at Davis in 2017 and 2020, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, an organization that promotes animal welfare, announced in February 2022 that it had filed a complaint with the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Through a public files request, the group was able to collect the data, which also included necropsy results and veterinary data. According to what was written, claimed that 23 monkeys had gone through extreme pain as an effect of poor animal care and their highly intrusive experimental head implants used in the experiments. Max Hodak, the co-founder and president of Neuralink, resigned in April 2021. He disclosed that he made investments in a competitor in February 2022. Hodak tweeted that he was still a huge cheerleader for Neuralink after announcing that he had left the firm a few weeks earlier on May 1, 2021. In a blog post from February 2022, Hodak revealed that he had been advising Synchron. This competing biotech firm had beaten Neuralink to human testing with its version of neural interface technology. Neuralink's brain-machine interface raises ethical questions and potential hazards, as with any emerging technology. For instance, unwanted effects like interfering with other parts of the brain or unwanted impacts on behavior and personality are possible. Concerns have also been raised concerning the technology's potential for abuse, such as enabling mental control or brain tapping. Our knowledge of the brain and its capacity for interacting with technology has advanced significantly due to Neuralink's technology. Although many obstacles must be addressed, technology has a wide range of possible applications that could greatly impact how human society develops. The subject of communication between the brain and computer is another area in which Neuralink's technology may find use. The gadget might enable people with illnesses like ALS or Locked-in syndrome, which impair how well they can speak or converse, to communicate by utilizing their thoughts. Their quality of life and capacity for social interaction could both be significantly improved by this. Neuralink intends to advance the technology's development and investigate its potential uses more. The business is also carefully collaborating with regulatory bodies to guarantee that the gadget satisfies the highest requirements for effectiveness and safety before it's authorized for use in humans. In the long term, Neuralink's goals are ambitious. Musk has said that he hopes the technology will eventually be able to connect human brains directly to the internet, allowing us to communicate with each other and with AI systems in ways that are currently unimaginable. While this may seem like science fiction, Neuralink's early successes suggest that we may be closer to this vision than we realize. What advancements will Neuralink make for humans? Will they succeed? Will it be a new era for all of us? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and that's it for today.